Why go anywhere else?
I'm George Duran, and this is the Hunt's Craft Kitchen Tour. Hey, Chief, how you doing? I'm here to cook you guys some lasagna. That's what I'm doing. No, but in this jerk not. What are you doing to my tomatoes? Hunt's is the only leading brand that uses flash steam, and that gives it that backyard garden fresh taste. Wow. Look how bright that is. All right, I think we're good. Hey, come and get it. It's delicious. Guys, you need your shrimp.
Oh, quit. There you are. Put him up, put him up.
By my count, 6 inmates entered the restroom corridor during visiting hours. Then we get Trimble. He enters.
Just get that look. Put him up, I'll take your book on.
Push, shove. Out comes the baton. Then static. Static.
Big yawn.
We got the PG version. The Warden Halsey cut.
What's Grandma doing? Holding a shiny thing up at you.
Taking my video.
Check Trimble's phone records, Gibbs. One person called him over once.
I'm going to go get in the shower.
Okay.
Another prison guard by the name of
I see you later.
Trying to roll over in my lap.
I see